Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
So one of the things that you brought up about I'm not worthy of having things in my life because others don't have it, so it's not fair, has been a running theme since I was 12. And
Okay.
it was, oh, if I wasn't born to my dad, I wouldn't have all these things that other people don't have, and it's so unfair for other people. So I can't seem to allow things that I need to come into my life. I came all the way to Vancouver on a spiritual journey from Toronto, and everything seems to be within my reach, but something is stopping me from attaining all that is being promised to me by the higher realms. So I know it's my humanness that's stopping it, and I need to let all that go.
Okay. So it's a lot about what you're saying. Would it be fair for you to get everything that you're trying to achieve?
I believe I deserve it, but I know there is an underlying theme of unworthiness.
Okay. Whose story is it that you're unworthy of it?
Similar to the story that just happened, I have a bad relationship with my mother,
Okay.
which kept me in a victim mode for a long time. And I've been trying to get out of that for 5 years. And I've gotten a lot of help on that one. So my easiest way is to stay detached from her, but I still know that a lot of things get replayed because I never felt loved by her.
Okay.
And that's all that's coming to me right now.
Okay. So are you willing to step out of the story that, are you willing to step out of your mom's story that you don't deserve the things you're trying to achieve?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this is an interesting one. Are you trying not to have success to spite your mom? Okay.
Don't know about that, but I know that my mom wants to feel superior over everyone else, including her children.
Yep.
So she rather that us be in our lower place so that she could still feel that she's had a better life than us.
Yep.
Which is a very weird thing, but that's what I've always felt from her.
Yeah. And that's her being in this place of low self-esteem. She wants to feel better by putting other people below her.
Yeah.
But what's going on with you, where the energy is going with you, is that if I don't succeed, if I don't create the success, I can say, well, look, this is because of you. You're the one that's pushing us down. Therefore, I can't achieve success. And so unconsciously, it's like, see, look, I'm winning because I'm not succeeding, and it's her fault, and I can blame her for it.
But, well, if her children don't succeed, then it's a spite on her too. Everyone looks at her and say, oh, look, you know, your children aren't doing that well. You're not the greatest mom out there either. So it might be something on a subconscious level like, hey, people are not going to say you're a good mom because look, all your children are doing shit, even though that's what she's energetically placing up on us.
Yeah, but I mean, look how you're like smiling when you talk about that. I'm gonna make sure I trash my life so people can look at my mom and go, oh, look where your kids are, right? You're supposed to be so wonderful, and this is the children you've raised. So you're deep down, you're winning by not being successful and not being happy. So are you willing to step out of the story that you need to sabotage your own life to get back at your mom?
Yes. Yes. It needs
Ooh. Okay, how's that feel?
That was great.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.